Pertama, apa yang India Pakistan emat kan kisah. Nah, mana mesti apa yang kan new tarik India kalau Ther ke bentar jangka Pakistan. Ia kan ila report ke Washington Post ke kot kabar nanti ke website Amerika. Ke Washington Post kalau itu nanti ke report bagi supaya Pakistan kalau itu bah perangut kiberi kelayap. Bagi dia kira payba agar kita Ther ke India ke misal ke bud ke mata ke jaga sa payba jangka Pakistan. Nagalang jaga Ministry of Defense jangka di India. Kalau penting na yang jing Ther jangka India sa Pakistan dah keba ang bakal Ther segi benta keba biang bah kabak syong berarti training kileno. Kani gadi ke video ka mala post ka Washington Post haka Facebook page ki jangka haka badi bakal jing Ther jangka India sa Pakistan. Ya kana ka jing Ther jangka India ya Pakistan ro report ka NDTV ka wedi kala pathe ka bor jangka India.
During the night of the 6th to the 7th of May, Pakistan's army resorted to arbitrary fighting, including artillery shelling from posts across the line of control and the international border opposite Jammu and Kashmir. 3 innocent civilians have lost their lives in indiscriminate firing and shelling. The Indian army is responding in a proportionate manner. This is indicative of a massive flare-up, and I am reading out a statement from the Indian army. I'm repeating that statement. During the night of the 6th to 7th, so that's the overnight situation, the Pakistan army resorted to arbitrary firing across the, including artillery shelling, as we've been reporting, including artillery shelling from posts across the line of control and the international border opposite Jammu and Kashmir. 3 innocent civilians lost their lives in indiscriminate firing and shelling. The Indian army is responding in a proportionate manner. All right, so this is important. Let's bring in Sunil Prabhu also for a quick word on this. Sunil, this is initial information coming in from the Indian army. It's confirmed, it's a statement. This is important. It's a dynamic situation. There are casualties on Indian side. It's not over as yet. It is very much a fluid scenario right now, not just in the air, but also on the ground along the line of control.
India kalau kat rujuk pak jangka riban perlang Shibit ke jing training lagi jing hikai lupa lah jaga jang jing terbom. Banyak kan ini online ada kepo sabai janmir kepo understand Shibit janmir bagian ke jing pak seran bukan jing pelik di kilai kembang arminit.
That pieces. At the moment an air raid siren pierces the calm, everything changes. India's safety doesn't begin at the border. It begins with you. When you hear the siren, act fast. Turn off all lights, fans and appliances. Draw the curtains. Shut the windows. Even a single spark can guide the enemy. This isn't panic. This is preparedness. The strength of a nation that knows how to protect its own. Teach your children what to do. A child pulls the curtain. A teen helps their grandparents turn off the lights. A family sits in silence. Calm, composed, ready. Across the city, the spirit awakens. Volunteers check rooftops for light leaks. Women check on elderly neighbors. Soldiers at the border, calm, alert, unwavering. This is India. Every home, a fortress. Every citizen, a shield. In darkness, we don't hide, we unite. From cities to villages, a quiet blackout spreads. Not out of fear, but love. Love for country, love for each other, and belief that in every test, India stands tall. Stay calm, stay strong. We belong to India. India belongs to us.